Hello viewers, welcome to my digital channel. I am Dr. Mumtaz, and today I want to give you some guideline regarding how you can get the prompt from the ChatGPT, and you can write paper, thesis, and synopsis and other things. But it depends how you give prompt to the AI like ChatGPT and others, and how you interpret that results. I have some prompt already give some prompt to the AI ChatGPT, so they have write some results for me, and these results are really good. So how you can give prompt to the AI so he can write results for you. So let's start a small tutorial. We can start here with the new chat. We can start writing. Hello, chat GPT. I am writing results for my paper, and I want to get a prompt from you to help me to give instruction to AI. I want to write high quality results for paper need to be considered in a high quality journal. Like, you can give your own preference, but I like to get results like Nature, Science, and other high advanced journals. So this is the background what I need. But what are the results being need to write and describe? So first of all, you need to give some brief introduction or brief guideline of your experiment. Like, I have uh, two field experiments. This is like relevant to agriculture and ecosystem. So you can give according to your own experiments and your own requirement. So I have a two field experiments. I can write here with the trial 1 and trial 2. Two field experiments of multi stress, multi-metal stress con- con- field experiments, and I applied 4 bacterial strains for the purpose to increase nutrient accumulation and metal removal. So I have give background knowledge to the ChatGPT. So we have to give some instruction, and after that, the ChatGPT can give us some prompt. So click enter, and let's see what the ChatGPT gave us. So this is the giving some instruction like ChatGPT saying you need to act senior researcher and scientific writer, not the basic learner or something like that. So they have prepared that, presenting the results and highlighting these all they are doing this. So they give us a very good comparison and all these results. So you can now write to the AI, can you give me the results? So it's depend on your results. I have prepared some of my results, like here is the soil nitrogen, here is the straw nitrogen of the plants, and green nitrogen of the plants. So I have two experiments. I calculated their percentage increase of first trial and second trial. So I will give them by copying and pasting uh, directly to the ChatGPT. So I will paste here first. These results are pasted, but you need to ask him. So you provide very good instruction and prompt. I like it. Can you please write my following results according to your prompt? Can you please write my following results according to your prompt? So this is some instruction, and I provided some results here. So click the enter and see what they have written here. So they says like, I have written high quality impact journal style of results subsection. So they have some other requirement like mean plus minus standard and over, which I didn't provide them. But what I provide them, they have right. They have written some overall finding. After that, I hope you can get good results with such kind of prompts. But the next step is how you can remove this AI written text and can include in your paper and thesis and synopsis and what you are using like projects and proposals and others. You can use this, but it will show some AI detection. How you can overcome this, I will upload a next video on how you can overcome and rewrite this chat GPT text. So I would like to request you please hit subscribe button and like this video, and you can also share with your relatives and close friends who need this video. I would like to request you please subscribe and tell them next video. Bye bye.